Hey friends, if you wish to fix load library failed with error 87, the parameter is incorrect on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, load library is a DLL file. It isn't mentioned here, but I'm telling you. So an SFC scan usually fixes it, but my first approach will be to download the Microsoft C++ redistributable package. I will open the browser and search for Microsoft C++ redistributable and hit enter. And then I'll go to the Microsoft C++ redistributable page. Now I'll scroll down and click on the x64 version, and then I'll click on open so that it starts installing it. Then I'll click on repair if it's already installed, and if it's not, then we will go through a procedure to install it. Now this said, the issue could also be with the graphics card drivers. If they're incompatible, then there is nothing that you can do about it, but let us try to update them first. Okay, so search for uh, device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers again. The next one is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And the last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.